All right, this one is 13565 blue grouse. It's ready to rock and roll right now. Here's what your view looks like. So there's a smaller garage, and then this is the 2-car and plus a little extra. Here, remember, I'm walking in from the garage. Right as you walk in, there's a mudroom from the other garage with that beautiful window peeking out right there. And this is the smaller garage, not anything too exciting there. This one is all staged. It has that room right there on the side. This one is 4,273 square feet. Little butler's pantry here, it looks like. And quite similar, it has the pantry back here. It's kind of nice to see with some things on it so you get an idea of just how big it is. And this is, in my house, I use this under the microwave for my coffee area. A gas Bosch cooktop. And then the double oven. And once again, a really beautiful dining area with a small yard that's all fenced in. And a lovely patio. Gas fireplace. And lots and lots of cupboards. Looks like the layout is similar. If I walk over to the left of the dining area, I'm guessing this is going to be that little desk area again. They're kind of similar. Or maybe this is the kids' homework area. Because I'm guessing there's another office as well. And so I'm guessing this is like the mother-in-law quarters like we saw on the other house. So kind of like the primary, but with a little bit smaller bathroom and closets. Those same double closets. So similar to the first. It's nice also you have landscaping already to go in this one. A nice living space here that's open right up to the kitchen. And a pretty grand entry here, as you can see. And here's this little bathroom. This is really beautiful tile. I have never seen tile like this before. And I'm guessing this is also a little, oh, look at this. This would be so fun for your niece. It's like under the stairs room with a little area to hang things up, or a little book nook. And in Idaho, we have crawl spaces usually under the stairs and in the primary bedrooms. I've heard that that's not common in other places. Here is the downstairs office area, or it could be a secondary eating area, or it could be another room if you wish. All right, so let's head upstairs. This one's a little bigger than the first one. Show how high that really is. Okay, so this one's definitely more finished than the other. And this is a little different setup. This looks like, I want to show you this first. Look at that view. And this is the primary. Love those views of the mountains. Lots of building going on out here. Beautiful balcony as well. And those beautiful foothills and mountains you can see all the way around. Well, I haven't had to turn on any lights in either house, so that's showing you how light it is. Once again, that little area, extra storage, all of the slow closing drawers. I'll show you a little better this bathroom since I skipped it until the end on the first. Beautiful tile. And once again, that beautiful tub with a view, and also the second set of drawers. Another huge closet. I'll turn the light on in here so we can see a little better. And I'm guessing it opens up to that other room as well. So here is go into that laundry room, very similar setup. Beautiful tile. Once again, the HVAC system right there. A folding area. It could be another desk if you wanted as well. Hanging area for laundry. And then there's this other room back here. This is more, oh, this is a little different. This is a beautiful additional sitting area with all those views. That is really lovely. You see up here as well. This is what I like. I like mountain views instead of city views. We can't miss this little room back here either though. Very similar layout. And what I really like about this builder too is everything is really nice quality. You don't find any plastic laying. You don't have, I mean, everything is really custom and beautifully made. And let's see, we have 2 bedrooms again. one is so cute. Look at those views. This is really a beautiful view here. And here's the closet. So quite similar. And I'm assuming the other one is as well. Linen closet. And the last bedroom. Oh, and no, we did that bathroom. I think that's it. All right, so this is house number 2. Making sure I get all the lights off. All right, hope you like this one. I'm heading to the other side now, and there'll be a little bit bigger lots.